Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, or dispensing drums since 1997. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum hauler. Before operating any of our drum hauling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous use. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To charge, ensure the drum hauler is turned off. Unplug the SB175 connector from the drum hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the drum hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. The drum hauler's large 24-volt industrial battery allows the machine to run continuously from 12 to up to 16 hours on a single charge. Charging times range from 6 to 8 hours. To turn the drum hauler on, rotate the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit and turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the Canvas indicator. Prior to beginning, the operator should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on both the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Drum haulers equipped with a hydraulic clamp include a magnetic-backed control box and a coil cord to provide remote rotation and clamping functions. This includes controls for rotating the clamp left and right. The top rocker switches control the clamping function. Operators must press the red safety switch to enable the clamp function. This requires operators to activate 2 switches to clamp or unclamp a drum to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. The tiller handle contains the green thumb control, which is variable speed and allows the drum hauler to travel in a forward or reverse direction. Also located on the tiller handle is a red emergency stop button. If the red emergency stop button contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the drum hauler will immediately stop and move forward to help prevent injury. The tiller handle also has a horn button and a turtle switch, which allows the drum hauler to be moved while the tiller handle is in the fully upright position. This video features a custom RCR 1324-8 clamp without SBR rubber for handling drums from 13 to 24 inches in diameter, as well as the optional 24-inch extended reach. Standard clamping pads are comprised with SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. There are 2 main benefits for having a 24-inch extended reach option. The first is that the extended reach enables operators to grip or release drums from one side of a 48-inch wide pallet. This can be beneficial depending on how drums are stored in production areas. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to the required destination. The second benefit allows the operator to approach the tank from the front or side before rotating the drum. This is ideal when there are many tanks in a production area or dispensing into tanks with recessed openings. To assist in safe operation, drum haulers starting in mid-2019, excluding EE-rated units, are equipped with a lift cutoff feature. Drum haulers with this safety feature will include a lift cutoff feature decal above the Canvas indicator, as pictured in this video. The lift function will automatically cut off after 6 to 7 seconds, approximately 20 to 24 inches high. As soon as the lift switch is released, lift is immediately enabled and can be re-engaged quickly by the operator. All drum haulers are available with single or 2-stage masts capable of lifting drums as high as 12 feet above floor level. Due to the overall length of our extended reach drum haulers, these models may require additional space for maneuvering. The extended reach option increases the overall length of the machine when compared to the standard RCR 1324-8 clamp, as it requires a 54-inch length base frame. It also requires additional counterweight under the battery to provide a 600-pound load capacity. Popular additional options for this unit include a small drum adapter, which can allow for gripping smaller drums down to 9 inches in diameter, FM-approved EE rating for hazardous areas, optional scales for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas, thus permitting an operator to dispense by weight or perform inventory, adjustable clamping pressure option, which permits the operator to lower the factory set clamping pressure exerted on the drum depending on clamp and application, such as when handling lightweight fiber drums or sensitive drums subject to impressions. Drum haulers come standard with a safety orange powder coating for durability. They are also available in FDA-approved epoxy metallic gray powder coating or full 304 stainless steel construction. Both FDA epoxy powder coating and stainless steel construction offer food-grade lift and rotation chains, food-grade grease, and hydraulic fluid for food or pharmaceutical applications. The clamp is equipped with 8-inch high clamping pads to securely grip a wide range of steel drums. The clamping pads seen here do not contain SBR rubber. However, the clamping pads can be comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The compact 28.5-inch wide base frame makes an easy task of traveling in congested areas through 30-inch doorways, turning in tight aisles, and traveling up or down ramps. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.